Okay, now in the number 75, how many tens are there? There are?
7.
Very good. 7 tens and 5 ones. In 98, how many tens are there?
9. 9 10.
9
Very good. 9 tens and 8 ones. Okay. Good morning. Yes. Okay. Now in the previous class we have written till the number 50, right? Now we will continue and write from 51 till 70. Okay, 51 to 60 and 61 to 70 in the form of tens and ones. Okay, now continue writing. Okay, continue writing. Do one thing, take a new page now because you have written from 41 to 50, right? Now take a new page. Okay, take a new page, write today's date 29-7-21. Okay, write today's date 29-7-21. Yes, Aldrich?
Only telling ma'am. 29 days.
Okay, write today's date. You finished? Yes, very good. Now we're going to continue writing now. Okay. Oh. Now in the first line, write down number names. Write down capital N, U-M, U-M-B-E-R. Number, capital N, U-M-B-E-R. Number. Leave a finger space. Write down N-A-M-E-S. Names. N-A-M-E-S. Names. Leave a finger space. Write down F-R-O-M. From. F-R-O-M. From. Number names from. Write down the number 51. 51. 51. Leave a finger space. Put a small dash. 51 to 70. 70. 70. Leave a finger space. Write down I-N. In. I-N. In. Leave a finger space. Write down T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Leave a finger space. Write down F-O-R-M. In the form. F-O-R-M. Form. Leave a finger space, or if you don't have space, you can leave a line and write. Okay, in the form of. O-F. Of. O-F. Of. Leave a finger space. Write down capital T-E-N-S. Tens. Capital T-E-N-S. Tens. Leave a finger space. Write down A-N-D. And. A-N-D. And. Leave one finger space. Write down O-N-E-S. Ones. O-N-E-S. Ones. Okay, so the same way, the way we wrote from 41 to 50, the same way we are going to write from 51 to 70 in the form of tens and ones. Okay, now leave a line, write A in the margin. Leave a line, write A in the margin. Okay, now write down, write the number 5. 5. Leave one finger space. Write down capital T-E-N-S. Tens. capital T E N S, tens. Danishta, are you writing? Okay. Okay. 5 tens, leave a finger space, write down A N D and A N D and leave a finger space, write the number 1. Write the number 1. Leave one finger space, write ONES, ones. Okay, 5 tens and 1 ones is equal to, very good, 51. 51. Okay, now leave a line, write down in words, capital F I F T Y, 50, capital F I F T Y, 50. Leave a finger space, write down ONE, 1, 51. Okay, ONE, 1, 51. Okay, now leave a line, write B in the margin. Leave a line, write B in the margin. Okay, now again write down the number 5. Write down the number 5. Leave a finger space, write down capital TENS, tens. Capital TENS, tens. Very good. Leave a finger space, write down AND 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 and, very good. And leave a finger space, write the number 2. 2, leave a finger space, write down ONES, ones. Is equal to, very good, is equal to 52. Yes, then leave a line, write down capital FIF TY, 50. Leave a finger space, write down TWO, 2, 52, and then put a full stop. Okay? Yes. Okay, now again, leave a line. Okay, leave a line, write C in the margin. Leave a line, write C in the margin. Okay, write down the number 5.
Ma'am, I finished math.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, we'll give time for the others also to finish. Okay, so 5, leave a finger space, write down capital TENS, tens.
53.
TENS, tens. Yes, it is 53. Okay, we'll give time for the others also to write. Okay, 5 tens. Leave a finger space, write down AND 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 leave a finger space, write down, write the number 3, 5 tens and 3.
1.
Very good. Leave a finger space, write down ONES, ones.
53, ma'am.
Very good, is equal to 5, 3, 53. Okay. Yes, Nikhil. Okay, now leave a line, write down the spelling F, capital FIFTY, 50. Capital FIFTY, 50. Leave one finger space, write down THREE, 3, 53. Okay, write down 53. Now leave a line, you have to write D. Shall I erase the board? Anyone who's still writing? Shall I erase the heading and till 52? Shall I erase? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till only till B I will erase. Okay. You finish writing 52?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now leave a line, write D in the margin. Write D in the margin, write down.
Ma'am,
Write the
I
number
finished
5. Yes, the ones who are writing, very good, right? The ones who are still writing, continue writing, okay? The same way you have to write from 51 till 70. So even if you can go, keep on writing, well and good, okay? Finish till 70. Okay, the ones who are seeing and writing, please write. Now write the number 5, then write down capital TENS, tens, 5 tens, leave a finger space, write down AND and leave a finger space, write down the number 4. 4, yes, very good. Then leave a finger space, write down ONES, ones.
54, ma'am.
Very good.
54.
Is equal to 54. Yes, 54. Okay, now leave a line, write down capital FIFTY, 50. Leave a finger space, write down FOUR, 4, 54. Okay, FIFTY, 50. FOUR, 4, 54. Okay, now leave a line, write E in the margin. Leave a line, write E in the margin. Okay, now write down the number 5. 5. Leave a finger space, write down capital TENS, tens, 5 tens. Leave a finger space. Okay, leave a finger space, write down AND 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 very good. And leave a finger space, write down the number 5. Write down the number 5. Very good. Yes, write down, leave a finger space, write down ONS, one. Yes, very good. Yes, the number is 55. Okay, 5 tens and 5 ones is equal to 55. Very good. Okay, now leave a line, write down capital F, IFTY, 50. Leave a finger space, write down FIVE, 5, then put a full stop. 5. Yes, very good. Okay. Now leave a line, write down F in the margin. Leave a line, write down F in the margin. Okay. Now write the number 5. Okay, write the number 5. Leave one finger space. Write down capital TENS, tens, 5 tens. Leave a finger space. Write down AND and
6.
Very good. Yes, very good. Okay, and 6. Leave a finger space. Write down ONES, ones is equal to
56.
Very good. It is 56. Okay. Number is 5 tens and 6 ones is equal to 56. Okay. Now leave a line. Write down capital FIFTY, 50. Leave a finger space. Write down SIX, 56. Okay. Now leave a line. Write down G in the margin. Okay, leave a line. Write down G in the margin. Now write the number 5. 5. Leave a finger space. Write down TENS. Tens. 5 tens. Okay, 5. Yes, Sonu?
And ma'am.
Yes.
And ma'am. Yes.
Yes, and AND. And please make sure you leave a finger space after every word and number. Okay? And leave a finger space.
57, ma'am.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay.
57,
7. Leave a finger space. Write down ONES. Once is equal to 57. Okay, is equal to 57. Now leave a line. Write down capital FIFTY. 50.
ma'am. Finished, ma'am.
Leave a finger space. Write down SEVEN. 7. FIFTY. 50. SEVEN. 7. 57. Okay, now leave a line. Write H in the margin. Okay, leave a line. Write H in the margin. Write down the number 5. 5. Leave a finger space. Write down TENS. Tens. 5 tens. Leave a finger space. Write down AND. And
Ma'am, 50, ma'am.
very good. 58. Okay, and leave a finger space. Write down the number 8. Write down the number 8. Now leave a finger space. Write down ONES. Once. Leave a finger space. Put equal to sign. The number is 58. Okay, 58. Now leave a line. Write down capital FIFTY. 50. Leave a finger space. Write down EIGHT. 8. 58. Okay. Shall I erase D and E?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Okay. After H, leave a line. Write I in the margin. Okay, write I in the margin. Write down the number 5.
Finished,
5.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Okay, write down 5 capital TENS. Tens. 5
And,
tens. Yes, Sonu?
and. Yes, and, ma'am.
Yes, and yes, very good. AND 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 leave a finger space. Write down the number 9.
59.
Very good. Leave a finger space. Write down ONES. 1 is
60.
equal to 59. Okay, is equal to 59. Leave a finger space. Write down capital. I'm sorry. Leave a line and then write capital FIFTY. 50. Leave a finger space. Write down NINE. 9. NINE. 9. Okay. Now leave a line. Write J. After 59, which number comes?
60.
60. Okay, which means you're going to write 6 here. Okay. 6. Leave a finger space. Write down capital TENS. Tens. 6 tens. Leave a finger. Yes, very good. And 0 ones. ONES. Ones is equal to what?
60, ma'am.
60. Okay, very good. It is 60. Then leave a line. Write down S, capital SIXTY, 60. Capital SIXTY, 60. Okay. You will continue and write from 61 to 70 also, one below the other. I will send you the notes as well. Okay.
One, only one. One right. Only one.
Okay, we will not be able to write completely. So I'm going to give you for homework from 61 to 70. Okay, that you have to write and you'll have to send a picture of all the three what we wrote from 41 to 70 what we wrote in the class, from 41 to 60 and 61 to 70 you're going to write for homework. Okay, all the 3 pages I want you to send it to me. Okay, children. So if you finish till 60, after the class, you can continue and write and finish it off till 70. Okay, hardly you will take another 10-15 minutes to finish that. Okay, so you can finish it and you can send a picture. And the ones who have not submitted your activities, please make sure that you submit it latest by today. Okay, otherwise marks will be reduced for late submission. Okay, children, so if you finish till here, we can wind up with today's class.
Ma.
Yes, ma. If you're writing, you can write. You still have time. Okay, you can write.